What were you saying? We can't afford very expensive or...
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we want quality, but we don't want super expensive quality, so it has to be a balance.
Yeah.
I'm surprised to have a big one soon to open. Wouldn't?
Oh yeah. This is the view going in. Looks nice.
Yes.
Proper road.
Into the woods.
Yeah, into the woods. Pine trees. They have old pine trees here.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
That's
these tall
nice.
ones have been there a long time.
Yeah.
So, they came and started building.
Tay. Hey.
It's not even better than barking at least.
Yeah. Tay.
I assume they only bark if they're at their place. Hi, doggy. Yeah.
Hi.
Mama doggy.
No. Scaredy. Yeah, this is the highway. It's just really walking distance.
Not driving fast.
Yeah.
Calm down. We're not going after you.
Hi, boy.
No.
Looks healthy.
Will you calm down?
Another no trespassing.
We're following. We're not.
Hi,
We're
guy.
not following you. Watch the car. There you go.
It's another resort there. I think that's the owner.
Yeah.
Hapit maligsi. Nagdol kay sa highway. Yeah, fancy buildings there.
Dog refusing to go.
Yeah, we see another road going down.
I think it's the other side, or I see that it's the other side from yesterday.
It's like neighborhood.
They have a road over there as well.
Oh yeah. You can check that tomorrow if you want. Yeah, just check around the neighborhood, like each street, what they have.
Fleeing from loud people.
Yeah.
This road
Our
is
neighbors
not
are
near.
really loud, like karaoke almost every day.
And screaming.
And screaming. And kids playing lato-lato.
And screaming.
And screaming.
This bike does not look right.
Yeah, oops.
Whoa. Yeah. I don't.
Yeah. Hi, Dai.
Hi.
Nice
Bye.
fur. Really nice view. I mean, different kinds of houses.
More normal living houses.
Yeah. I think this is a resort
One there
here.
looks pretty nice.
Yeah. I think that's a church, that white one.
I think the one up there is the one we see from the street, right?
Yeah.
Which is
I think it's SDA.
Ah,
There's this white one here. I think that's
I think the white one here is the resort.
the real place. Oh yeah, that's the real place.
The real place?
Real REEL.
Uh-huh.
I think we see some plant formations there.
There's a monster in the bushes here.
Yeah, they're just dogs fighting.
Hi. Happy doggy.
Video.
Oh, shush. Huh? I'm videoing.
Yeah,
You're gonna go to the happy barking doggy. Wanna say hi? It's like hey. Hey, be nice. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yeah. You joining? Yeah. So loud.
That's where we went yesterday.
Yeah. I'm gonna film you just because of that. What? Yeah, say hi to the camera. Yeah, camera shy. You're not helping. So,
Another no trespassing. Huh?
yeah, but that's through there. So the one on the hill is yeah, that should be, yeah, the one with the pool and the lions and stuff.
We
We can check it. I don't see any sign.
The dog will stop barking.
Yeah, hopefully.
Another real look nice.
Yeah, it's a big open area.
Just trash everywhere though.
Yeah, we're in the Philippines. Trash and dogs. Trashy dog, no. Stop. Shh. Oh yeah. This is the local garbage pile, or this does not look awesome.
Yeah.
So this is where people dump their crap, I guess. That's nice.
This is the road.
Yeah. Alright. Some chickens. Welcome. What does it say in the grass?
Welcome to the end.
Welcome to the end. That's not very nice.
No, N heart. I don't know.
Alright. We're assuming it's a resort. And yeah. Well, this is awesome. Alright, we haven't been here before, and I have a feeling we're not gonna come here too many times again, because this is local dump. Smelly. Well, it's not it's not all resorts and pools. Why are we okay? Yeah. Well, I mean, it's not exactly the most wonderful place. So, and I think the road stops here. Yeah, this is awesome. Right, so we are exploring recycling in the Philippines today, which means you live in nature and then you wait 10,000 years and voila, no trash. It's just 10,000. Oh, okay. So, so then this is, yeah, nice view with some trash in the foreground. That's just excellent. Oh. Yeah, well. Alright, so we are in the bush. Don't think we're trespassing, but don't know. At least we have a bag where we put our trash. And then we bring it with us back home. That's how we do things. Yeah, as you can see, I think you can see, oops, easy. As you can see, the soil here is very red and pretty much pure clay, so farming in Lorega is probably not the best option in the world. We've been trying to grow stuff at Dan's cottage, but yeah, lemongrass grows. Everything else grows up till like 10 centimeters, then it gives up. Huh? Is this the gate? This is nice. It's like a golf course or
Also
Carabao?
Yeah, there.
Oh, down in...
Empty area.
Ah. Yeah, full of trash though.
Yeah.
So lovely. Really brings out the green when you have some plastic trash in it. Oh, forgot. To the Filipinos here, that's sarcasm. I do not like the trash everywhere. You guys are so direct. 50% of the time she has no idea what I'm talking about. So which grass is this?
I think it's a mix.
Oh, okay.
There are some.
Oh.
Yeah. The holes they get the
Oh,
grass
to plant somewhere else?
expand it. Yeah.
And this is they have a tennis court here. Didn't see that from the other side. Lorega tennis court. No one's playing though. Probably no one knows it exists. It's like groundhog. Probably could be. I hope the camera doesn't pick up the noise on the phone. Dog is constantly barking. That's yeah. Hi, buddy.
Call it kabao. It's kabao.
Hi.
Oh, this would have been nice, but there's trash. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like I think it's the wind that brings the trash down.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the wind is from the sunset area.
Yeah, no, but like when you dump the trash there, it's gonna be falling down. Yeah, that's so gross. I wonder if we can get out on this way so we don't have to go through the trash again.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of flies. The carabao has many flies. Hi. Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt your bath. You look muddy. You just leave them there. Alright,
Don't know
There's-
where to.
there's a long string there. Yeah, I feel like we're trespassing, but I didn't see a sign.
Yeah.
And I don't think we can get out on this side.
We'll just go on that side.
What, up to their house? Then we'd definitely be trespassing. Alright.
He's just waiting.
Hi. Yeah.
Look shiny.
Yeah. Wanna smile to the camera?
Actually.
You're gonna pet it? I think it's.
No, yeah, it looks scary. No, it's just
I think it looks scary. I think they're super nice, right? You're super nice. He's just confused, like, why are there people here? Sorry. Wow, that's a lot of flies. Yeah. I have a feeling he smells.
but mostly mud.
You think? With all those.
Come on. Vamonos.
I have to. Just so people know where we are. So from the trash pile, we're down here.
Really nice view, and then
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't see that road up. All right.
yeah,
This we should be able to walk up there without the smell from the trash pile. Yeah. Yeah. No, this direction, with a carabao in the middle of the lawn.
The pine trees.
Yeah, I'm surprised I haven't done anything with this lot. This is like perfect for a really huge resort.
Yeah.
I'm assuming someone's bought it and planning to build on it, but
Maybe they're trying to sell it, but hasn't been sold yet because it's expensive.
yeah, this one will be expensive. It looks like it's relatively newly cleared. Yeah, I don't know.
I
But
think the grass is just like this.
yeah,
It's pretty much this everywhere.
they need to do some work on that, but yeah. Yeah.
We need some grass, then we know.
Yeah, I want Bermuda though. But yeah, I mean that trash pile really doesn't help.
Yeah, but I think I know why.
Huh?
The carabao is like eating the grass.
I don't think the carabao on it.
Yeah, that's
What?
why he's here. He has a mud pond and
Yeah, no, sure,
grass
sure.
everywhere.
Yeah. It's a but I don't think he alone has cleared the entire area except for these two
Yeah.
spots.
Can you like take a picture?
Can I like take a picture?
Yeah, like from here.
Uh,
The ridge.
I will try. I'm not getting the car. Hold on, let me get the carabao in the shot.
Yeah.
Smile. Oh. Should be. Yeah, I can't get over the trash. I shouldn't be filming that. Doesn't.
It's part of Philippines, so it should be fine.
Yeah,
Like, really
beautiful area, nice nature, and a pile of trash. Yeah, you got a good point there. It's kind of the part.
Diaper.
A diaper. We've been working on that word.
If anyone would comment, oh, why are you cleaning it instead? We were not prepared. We didn't know it's gonna be trash here.
Never been here before, and I don't think we would be able to clean this up anyway.
Yeah.
And it's oh, I hear thunder.
Yeah, I got a notification. There's gonna be like a
Oh, there's another storm coming.
rain around 5 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Still sunny.
Mm.
Oh.
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll go up.
You go up.
Oh, they have a cemetery here.
Oh. How do you know?
Those kind of square mini houses. That's
The cemetery?
yeah. That's
Like Lorega cemetery?
yeah.
And they,
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe that's why.
they throw trash next to the cemetery? That's tacky.
I think like during November 1 or 2, like they have visitors here and then they just hang out here. I'm not sure. Just assumption.
Yeah. Well, it's a big area.
Or maybe it's like their open court in case there's earthquake. Don't know.
Yeah, but they have both of the houses up there
Really
have
nice,
plenty of.
terraces there.
Yeah,
Oh
exactly.
yeah, I'll take a picture.
You'll take a picture. Oh, I will. Okay.
You. Yeah, really nice.
Yes. Very hot today for Lorega, but still totally okay. I mean, this is like perfect
Oh yeah.
summer weather.
If we visit here next time, we'll skip that trashy, smelly part. We'll just go down here.
Yeah,
They didn't know there's a road.
I agree with you.
Like,
Yeah.
quite
No, but like the weather right now, it's hot in the sun. I'm guessing it's somewhere around 23, 24. It's a bit in the afternoon, but it's that's Celsius,
yeah.
Fahrenheit. People Google it.
Awesome view.
But it's really, really nice summer weather.
See,
Oh, yeah.
it's like a golf course.
It's like a very, very tiny golf course with trash. Yeah, no, very nice. But yes, very, very good weather to go back to that.
I think, yeah.
Okay, we're stopping apparently.
I think, even though they try to sell it, the interested buyer
I mean, no.
have to be accepting that it's right next to
Oh,
the
yeah, yeah.
cemetery.
Yeah, I forget that. So living next to a cemetery in the Philippines is not really what people want to do. They're very, very superstitious and may not enjoy it. For me,
Recording?
yes. For me, I would be more. Yeah, the trash pile would be a bigger issue with me. That's really gross. But yes, excellent weather. And
View.
if you're from Canada, Northern Europe or something like that, and have problems fitting into the Philippines, like the super hot areas, this is definitely an option. I mean, I'm from Sweden. I'm used to the cold. I have no issues. Well, except now catching my breath, but otherwise I have no issues with the heat here. The air is kind of cool. You have breezes every now and then. It's not always this sunny and nice. There kind of depends if you have a typhoon nearby or something. Then it's quite cloudy and rainy, of course, but kind of goes for everywhere. But it rains a bit more here than in most places in the Philippines, from what I know. But it's not bad, and it's easy. You can easily breathe the air. It's not that humid. Yeah, it's very nice. So we're we're settling in an area not too far from here, which is quite similar in temperature and height over the seas. Lorega in itself is probably expensive. Do note that, oh, this one again. Do note that this is all ancestral domain, so if you're worried about buying land in the Philippines, then yeah, this is definitely more tricky. Still doable. If you're not married to a Filipina, maybe skip it. Try Kapatagan or Baguio or something instead. Also very expensive. But as long as you're married to one and someone... Will you stop? Oh, here's the gang. But
yeah, I think they're gonna fight.
as long as you have someone that knows the rules and can figure out all the different people you need to contact to be able to buy, it's actually quite affordable and really nice. But if you want to live in the city and still have a cold,
AC.
yeah, either AC or Baguio. That's pretty much Orla Trinidad, which is a tiny little town right next to Baguio. Takes like 20 minutes with a jeepney to get there. Those are your options. Hi, Pooch.
No problem.
Hi, growling Pooch.
I have some dogs.
Yeah. Oh, I like this one.
Yeah.
Say hi. And we've got a smiling doggy and kids playing with half a bike. Sure. Who needs a PlayStation, right? Hi. Alright. We'll take a break from here, I think. Just a final... Don't fight. Alright, bye-bye.